Hello and welcome to another episode. I'm Matthew and this is my show. Happy New Year, everyone. So we're going to do another unboxing guitar effects pedal, Rat2 Distortion. It's one that everybody loves, and I was going to buy one, so I did. And I'm going to show you what is in the box because I'm curious and I can't wait to start fiddling it. That'll be another episode in which I will go through the process and try to find a sound that I like through it, which you can hear it and be your own judge. But you probably have to have the same temperature, the same equipment, same guitar, same tension, same everything. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff that might have to be the same or not. Anyway, let's see what is in the box. The box. Okay, so here we are. It's not sealed in any way, so it just comes right open. Packaging is the way it is. This is literally a different size, so there's nothing but that in there. No stickers, nothing else, so we'll set that off to the side. We have online registration with the serial number on the back, it looks like, so don't use that. And then, oh, okay, well, sealed with some Scotch tape there, so I can't wait to have this go on my new pedal board that you guys watch me build. It seems to be functioning fine. Interesting, because I didn't know that it has like a thing right here on the Rat. I guess that's the way. Oh, it's supposed to be red, but it's not. It's tin. Everything is on the position. That is what is in the box. So super cool here. Again, this is not a review, but this is where the battery goes, right in here, and then you put that back, so that's the inners right there. Put that back. Don't need to go in here because I'm not going to use this like this. I'm going to use it with a power cord. This is 9 volt, I believe. It says 9 volt right here. In, out, 9 volt. That is the serial numbers on the bottom, which matches the serial number that they gave me on that card. The other thing I see that's going to be interesting is getting this to have Velcro on it. So I'm going to have to come up with something here. But I think we can do it. I think we can figure it out. There you have it. As usual, thank you so much for joining me. I know this isn't everybody's gig, but I'm always curious. Hope you're curious. Stay curious. I think I've stole that from somebody too. I'm good at plagiarizing. Call me Biden. Oh, wow. No, not political. This is not a political channel. This is the MBH show. It's my show. It can be political because it's my show. I can do what I want. And rambling on like I normally do, but that's it. So Rat2 Pro Co, don't you know? Whoa. And then that is what it looks like all around town. All the way around, this way and this way, and we'll leave it at that. So please like, subscribe, comment, share, have yourselves a wonderful 2024, and subscribe to the channel, click the notifications, and otherwise be good human life forms to one another. I will see you on the next episode, and I'm getting over the flu, so I may not be Mr. Chipper and make a lot of sense. Maybe I'm on some cough medicine. It could be. I don't know. But I look forward to the next episode. that I'm going to be using it. I'm going to put this on the board. We're going to go over the board. We're going to go over the pedal. We're going to make some sounds, and we're going to I like making noise. So obviously the way I run my mouth. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.